What lies beyond the winding roads of Parshuram Ghat in the heart of India's west coast, where green meets blue, unforgettable experiences, warm hospitality, breathtaking landscapes. Come, join us on our Konkan adventure. Welcome everybody to our channel, The Exploring These, and today we are excited to share our Konkan road trip experience with you all. September is the perfect time to explore this scenic destination. The climate was superbly pleasant and the lush greenery everywhere was breathtaking. Just look at this train that we caught in. Just look at the dark clouds behind it. Amazing experience. On this road trip, we have stopped for a little while to admire this place. You know, we are nature lovers. So we have halted here on the Mumbai Goa Highway to see this beautiful place. And that's the beauty on this highway. Wherever you halt, you will find nature in all its glory, especially if you're traveling during the monsoons. So, as you travel all the way from Mumbai to Goa on this highway, enjoy its beauty, enjoy nature, do halt, take small breaks, and make your journey even more pleasant. Every now and then we were seeing this beautiful seven colors in the sky. Do you know what is it called? Rainbow! Rainbow! So beautiful! Unlike everybody else, our road trips take a little longer because we wait, we admire the places all around us, we click a lot of videos and pictures. Just look at this train that is passing just near this Vaishishti river. It's a mail train and that's the tunnel right there. So it's such a beautiful image. Time to eat some lovely food. We have come to a very famous place called Hotel Abhishek. People come from very far off places only to enjoy their authentic Konkan Maharashtrian food, be it veg or non-veg. We are going to have a blast today. And this is Hotel Abhishek. Just as you enter the Chiplun city, it's just 5 minutes from the Parshuram Ghat. So we are come here to enjoy the food today. Do join us in today's. Many famous celebrities have come to eat their food, like Raj Thakre and many more. We'll show you the pictures inside. And we are also come here to try their food. Their fish thali, mutton thali, chicken thali, veg thali, everything is available. We'll show you everything in detail once we go inside. But there is a big waiting line for us. Almost 20 minutes we have to wait. So people come here and literally stand in line patiently. As you enter the hotel, you'll find the photographs of all the famous people that have come here to eat. We're finally in and we've given our order for a pomfret papalet thali with vade, some chicken gravy with vade and bombil fry. So when it comes, we'll tell you all about it. She's so hungry. This is the bombil fry that we ordered. Nice and crispy. What I like is everything is mildly spiced. Nothing is overpowering. The spices are not very overpowering. It is bringing out the actual taste of the fish. That's the best part here. And that is why people are just rushing over to eat this food because it brings out the real taste, good quality food what you will get in Konkan here. So these thalis are really good. How is the chicken gravy? Let's see. Mm, very nice. I know Shania will like this. On the Mumbai Goa Highway, when you reach the Parshuram Ghat, there is a hidden gem, a beautiful resort where you can relax and unwind. Ambraban Nature Resort. Well, Amraban means mango forest, and this resort, let me tell you, friends, full of mango trees. As we entered, there were different types of rooms and cottages here, full of luxury but with simplicity. This is not a promotional video, and whatever we speak from our heart. A very spacious property, very clean, and above all, felt like home. What really captivated us is the view that you have from here. Well, the main reason why we've decided to stay at Amraban is because of its breathtaking view. Come, just have a look. It was now time for us to eat some authentic Maharashtrian Konkan food. Amravan. And here's our lovely home cooked veg food thali. Just like home. Simple dal, chana usal, and this is wangi ki bhaji, or you can also call it brinjal, chapati, papad, and this is like a salad. Koshambir we say in Marathi. It's a mix of carrot, cucumber, tomato, really healthy, nutritious food, less oily, and a lovely, lovely meal now. How's the food? Very nice and tasty. We stayed at this beautiful, simple cottage right in the middle of the forest on the Parshuram Ghat. And this was our room, very simple but with all amenities, basic amenities. Hello, good morning, friends. Just as we had a yummy traditional meal last night for dinner, this morning too we are having a traditional Maharashtrian style breakfast of batata poha, amboli, which is a kind of a dosa, two types of chutneys, and of course chai. So let me enjoy this healthy breakfast, and the taste is too good. Ghar ke jaisa, just how we make at home. Superb. Breakfast is included in the package, so it's absolutely free. Very nice. Hmm. Thank you, staff of Amraban Hotel, for your hospitality. Delicious food. It will always be etched in our hearts. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. After this lovely breakfast, we decided to explore this resort a little more. And we also wanted to show you this beautiful waterfall which is right on the Mumbai Goa Highway. This is the Mumbai Goa Highway. We are on the Parshuram Ghat. Just ahead of Amraban Resort is this beautiful, beautiful waterfall, and we are come to see it. The name of this waterfall is Sawatsada. Safe for families. So you can do visit here. Oh my god! Such a big, huge, amazing waterfall. Lovely waterfall. Not in the south of Mumbai, not in Kerala, huh? But here in Konkan, Maharashtra. on the way. Mumbai Goa Highway, Parshuram Ghat. You have the Sawatsada Waterfall. Amazing waterfall. What an experience. What an experience. This place is really safe. You can get your children here. They have built a very nice platform where you can stand here and admire the waterfall. But yes, of course, you've got steps going down towards it. So you can go down, dip your legs in the water, but a safety note. Please don't go under the waterfall. Don't try to get too excited. Keep safe, okay? And enjoy nature at its best.
Hope you liked the video. If you come to Chiplun, don't forget to visit this place. You have to visit. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.